Hey everybody, it's your boy, Keto Steve, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be telling you all about which foods you should be eating on the ketogenic lifestyle. We will go over a few of my favorite proteins, fats, and veggies that I eat on keto. So, let's get to it. Chicken. It's one of my all-time favorites, only because there are so many parts to it. You've got the breasts, wings, legs, and feet, which are all great pieces to cook. Sometimes, if you're lucky, the feet are on sale for just a buck. Buck, that's good. Eggs. They are so versatile, and that's what makes them excellent. You can cook them so many different ways. Poached, hard-boiled, sunny side up, over easy, fried, the list goes on. If you're looking for an easy and portable way to eat them though, I'd highly suggest ham egg cups. I've got a recipe video, so feel free to check it out. Beef. Where my carnivores at? There are different parts on the cow which are fattier than others, as we all know. So be sure you talk with a butcher to figure out what type of cut works best for you. For me, nothing beats a medium rare prime rib with some horsey sauce. Oh baby. Salmon. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming into my stomach. You're bound to get plenty of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D if you decide to go quote-unquote fishing at the grocery store. Salmon is my go-to choice when it comes to the fishies, only because it's all I've ever known. Bacon. You don't have to cover it in chocolate, but I mean, who wouldn't, am I right? But for all you regular folks out there, bacon is a great fatty meat option, especially if you have it with breakfast. Here's a pro tip. When you buy the bacon, make sure that it says nitrate and nitrite free on the label. Avocado. Can we create like a national avocado day, please? Or is that already a thing? In all honesty though, the health benefits from the avocado, or alligator pear as some might call it, are amazing. Plus, I mean guacamole, like who doesn't love a good guac? Cheese. I think in another life I was French or something because I can never get enough cheese. For me, the main source of my fats are cheeses of any and all kind. Pepperjack and brie are my personal favorites. Yogurt. Fage is usually the brand that I grab when I'm at the store. Typically, I throw it in my smoothies when I meal prep on the weekends. Another quick pro tip. When you're shopping for yogurt, read the fine print and try to find a brand that has a low sugar amount or none at all. Oils. Olive oil and coconut oil are the two main ones that I use to cook with. Avocado oil is also great, but can be rather pricey, so stick to the basics if you can. Heavy cream. No lie, I could easily crush an entire carton of heavy cream in one sitting and not even feel bad about it. Except the next morning when I want to put cream in my coffee, I don't have any. Normally, I put a splash of cream in my egg mixture when I make my morning omelet, or a little bit in my smoothies on the weekend. Kale. When you live in Southern California, people incorporate kale into pretty much everything and anything. Kale smoothies, kale salad, kale juice, kale water, the list goes on. I just buy frozen kale, throw it at my smoothies, and forget about it. Spinach. Now, I'm not trying to be a hero and eat canned spinach, because that is nasty. Most of the time, I throw some in my smoothies, or eat them in a stir fry. And please, don't forget to season your spinach. Brussels sprouts. Insert bacon, and you're done. Game over. No mas, go home, and shut it down. Red cabbage. Crack slaw, you guys. It will quite literally change your life. Plus, the color itself is so pretty and not green. Lettuce. Caesar salads for days, y'all. For days. That's all I could ever want in my life. Aside from maybe $1 million. And a girlfriend. And a job. Wait, do I really want a girlfriend? And those are a few of my favorite proteins, fats, and veggies that I eat on keto. But I'd love to hear some of yours. So be sure you comment below some of your favorite. Alright, I think that's it. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Are we clear? Okay, cool. Mom! I need a hot pocket. Okay, bye.